So much loving care and expert craftsmanship has been poured into this home. Now, this 3-bedroom, 2-bath ranch home is ready for you to come home. Walking up to the adorable front porch, this space would be perfect for a porch swing or patio set to enjoy the fresh air. Entering the home, an open concept design greets you and an abundance of natural light shines throughout. The living room, kitchen, and dining area flow seamlessly together and allow for a variety of furniture choices. The kitchen features beautiful cabinetry, stainless appliances, and room to store all of the memories that you make here. The bedrooms are all good size, with the master including an attached half bath. A nice vaulted entryway leads outside to the backyard, which has a comfortable amount of space, as well as a shed for all your outdoor tool and toy storage. There have been so many updates to this home, making it much more than what meets the eye. Call Kim Hainline Patmore and make arrangements to see this one today.